What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. It's Monday. I rarely get Mondays off, so I thought I'd get a few things done today. Got my yard work done, got a little workout in. Sarah actually just started with a health coach this week. We're both trying to get in a little bit better shape. We work out all the time, we diet, we exercise, but just trying to get a little extra help. Funny thing is I actually work in the fitness, nutrition, and health industry. I'm a retail manager for them. So I have access to, all different kinds of health and wellness supplements, protein. I used to be in a lot better shape, so I'm putting it on YouTube this year. I'm getting in shape. My sister's wedding is in October in the Virgin Islands. We're gonna go down there. Hopefully we've lost a few pounds and gotten a little bit better shape. So I'm putting it on here because it's gonna make me do it. It's gonna hold me a little bit more accountable. You too, Sarah. It's on here. We gotta work out. We're getting in better shape. That's it. There's no other questions about it. We did just kind of acquire a new family member. This is Nugget, or as she's so been properly named by the people that found her. She was found a couple miles down the road, out in the middle of nowhere one night 2 weeks ago. We have literally done everything. Other people have done everything we can to try and find her owner. No chip, no tags. Cute as can be. She's been shared multiple times. We've gone to humane societies, animal shelters, you name it. If I have sad news, I'm pretty sure she was just abandoned. So it's sad, but she is in a happy spot. She has just been super happy since she got here. So now we're trying to make the decision: do we keep her? Do we have another dog? Do we try and find a good home for her? We know people that would love her, but I'll be honest, I really like her. So that's what's really going on right now. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do with this dog. As you know, we really love animals. You can probably hear my birds talking right over there right now. Oh, they shut up whenever I come around. That's a tough decision. So for right now, we're gonna take care of her. We're gonna do everything we can. We've already got the fleas taken care of. We've given her baths, taken her on walks. She's a sweetheart, and I think she blends in really well with our family. So we'll see what happens from here. But the real reason I wanted to make today's video is to do something a little bit different. I want to talk a little bit about my Diecast car collection. I've been collecting cars since probably before I could even walk or talk. I've always really liked cars. So I have a little collection I've done over the years. I stopped for a little while and actually picked it back up in my 20s. So we'll go through a little bit of that. And I also want to do something a little bit special. We'll get to that in the end of today's video. But let's go check out my Diecast cars. Alright friends, so here we have it. This is a big portion of my Diecast collection. What we have here is I have some 1/18 scale models kind of laid out in the top couple of shelves. We're going down to the 1/24 scale models. I think these are 1/36s, some random finds. I haven't collected those for too long, just been kind of finding them around. And of course I have some Hot Wheels, but I'll be honest with you, I have probably about 500 to 1,000 more Hot Wheels in my attic, along with plenty of other Diecast cars. These are just some of the ones that I've had the longest, some that are in decent shape, and some recent ones that I've picked up over the past couple of years. So we'll kind of jump right into it. We'll start with these 1/18s. I'll kind of just give you a little view of them before I actually talk about any of them. Got an Escalade, got a Jaguar, got a Porsche. My mom actually found that Porsche for me at Costco, I believe it or not. Got a Mustang Cobra, a Ferrari race car, got Dom's red RX-7 from the Fast and the Furious. Of course, one of my favorites, a Ferrari Enzo, Pagani Huayra, a 599 GTO in white with the black roof, Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, still one of my all-time favorite cars, the Lamborghini Aventador LP700, Ferrari Testarossa, one of my first 1/18 models, right alongside the Mercedes CLK GTR, again one of my first models, still in pretty good condition. It's got a few little scratches, got a chip on the windshield. Brian Supra from the Fast and the Furious, Ferrari 458 Spider, Ford GT, I believe my father-in-law gave me this, or Sarah's grandfather gave me that. Lamborghini Countach, Dodge Challenger. We got the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport right here. Beautiful car. This is one I recently put together, a Bugatti Chiron. The Lamborghini Aventador LP 750-4 Super Veloce. Porsche 918 Spider. Found this one at a gas station, believe it or not. Had to pick it up. A Ferrari F50 convertible. Dodge Viper. Another Lamborghini Countach. Of course, we got the black and the red. When I was a little kid, though, I put the black spoiler on the red Countach. I thought that was kind of funny. I'm guessing that one used to have the red spoiler, but who knows what happened to that. A Mercedes. I have no idea where I got that. Of course, we got the Lincoln Navigator Dub City Edition. Missing the front grille. I'm assuming I got a little too crazy with that growing up. A Chevy Impala. Jaguar XJ220. I believe that's what that's called. I can't actually remember. Yeah, Jaguar XJ220. Very old model car. I've had that for a long time. Ferrari 550 Berlinetta. Lamborghini Diablo Super Veloce, I believe. Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 Roadster. A Porsche 911 and an older Porsche 911. Down here, of course, we've got the Plymouth Prowler missing one of the front bumpers. The number 36 NASCAR. And New York Police Department police car. I really like this one. My dad actually got me this one from New York City. I believe right after 9/11 when he was traveling for work. So just a precious little car my dad got me. I always keep that one. Porsche GT3 RS. And of course a Lamborghini Veneo with the doors up. This is another random find. I don't even actually think they ever made this spec. This is a matte black with the Italian flag accents going down. Of course, that massive wing. Lamborghini Miura. This is the Toyota Supra FT1 concept. The car that everybody wishes they made the Supra look like, but looking pretty damn good right there. Got a new Ford GT, an Audi R8 my friend got me. A Volkswagen Bus, Chevy Corvette. Another NASCAR, number 5 in this case, Chevy Corvette convertible. And of course we got the line of the Hot Wheels down here, starting with the Lamborghini collection. Moving on to 3 McLaren P1s, a couple of Pagani Huayras, Porsches, starting with the 918 Carrera GT, 959 Ford GT, a couple of Teslas down over here. Got some more Lambos in the back. Going into the Ferraris here with the F50s, the F40s, Testarossas. Down over here to the Aston Martins, Mercedes, the Lotuses, BMW, and a Corvette. And of course, got a couple of Volkswagen vans back there, Mitsubishi Eclipse, Buggy, Volkswagen Buggy, and a couple of really cool little Hot Wheels I've kind of stumbled upon, I believe. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my die-cast collection. I would definitely have to say some of my favorite ones over here are some of the more, definitely some of my older ones that I've had. I do remember getting the RX-7 and the Supra from the Fast and the Furious. I actually got that for Christmas one year. It was at my great-grandparents' house. Man, my birds are just being really loud. You guys never want to talk when I'm in here, and then I'm trying to make a video, and of course you start talking, but that's just how it goes. But anyway, yeah, I do remember getting these for Christmas one year when I was at my great-grandparents' house. Thought that was really cool. Really good memory there. The Mercedes Mercedes CLK GTR. Definitely one of my first 118 scales and favorite car. I actually have a McLaren F1 I got at the same time as this, but that is up in my attic. When I was a little kid, I did play with these cars, so they did get used. They're bumped, scratched. I used to race them all the time. Had a lot of fun playing with them, so I know the McLaren F1 is not in that great a shape, but I might, fix it up one day, glue the doors back on. I think it's gone through a lot of stuff with moving around and, changing houses as a kid growing up as well. And also putting them through the test of playing with them. The Ferrari Testarossa, I had posters of this car growing up. So when I finally got that 118 model, I took care of that thing like a baby. Still in really good shape. It's a little dusty, yes, but for the most part, in pretty good shape. Got some other really cool cars. This Jaguar right here, it's a right-hand drive model. I do remember my uncle got me for this for Christmas one year, and I had actually never seen this car. This is the Jaguar XK 180 118. Had never seen this car before until he bought me that for Christmas one year, and I do remember just falling in love with it. And of course, that is one I've taken really good care of. I don't believe anything is broken on there. I've really enjoyed that car. Definitely a lot of memories with a lot of these cars. I had shelves of them growing up. I really enjoyed collecting them, playing with them, and staring at them. Now that I'm adult, I have this giant bookshelf full of them. It's actually in my office right here. I'm trying to decide a better way to display them though. I know it's on the bookshelf, but it takes up a lot of room. The cars get really, really dusty, so I have to constantly clean them. So I'm thinking, you know, IKEA has these tall glass displays with shelves. I'm thinking about possibly getting a couple of those to display some of these cars. I don't know if I'm going to display all of them, but maybe just some of my favorites. And I'm going to keep collecting some 118, so be on the lookout for that. I'll definitely buy some, and I'll post them on these videos. If you guys do like these diecast videos, just let me know. That being said, I want to go somewhere real quick. I'm going to bring you guys with me and show you what I'm doing. Try to do something, again, just like a little bit special. So let's go. All right. Doors up on the Subaru. Let's hit the road. Sorry, the camera gets getting so foggy. It is really, really hot. My garage says 94, but I'm pretty sure it's almost 100 out here. It's really, really hot. Let's go. All right, guys, we are leaving Walmart now. I was gonna film in there, but we're in the toy aisle, so I don't want to be that weirdo filming and talking to himself in front of a bunch of kids, because they would have no idea what the hell I was talking about. But anyway, we're back in the Subaru. Got what I was talking about in this bag here. I'll show you what it is when we get home. And just like that, we are home. Roll the windows up. There's one thing you should know about vertical doors is don't keep your drinks right here and then open your door. I've only done it one time. Let's see if it stays actually. And just like that, guys, look at that. The bottle actually stays. Now, I guess if you had a cup or like something, you know, breakable, something that could spill, something like that, you would not want to do that, but that's actually pretty neat. I guess the bottle stays in the door. Huh. Anyways, all right, let's go inside. I'll show you what we have here. So we got the Walmart haul here. We gotta sit in the office with the other cars and show you what I'm doing today, what this is all about. So we got the bag. Sorry guys, it's not for you. Yeah, I'll give you a treat or something. I'm sorry. This is for my subscribers and followers. Oh, turtle food, of course, because we have a zoo here. But what I picked up today when I was in the store is a couple of Diecast cars here I thought were pretty cool. Didn't really know what I was after, but this is what I came with. We've got Brian's Skyline 2000 GTR from the Fast and the Furious. And of course, Brian's MK4 Supra in white. Man, that looks really good. I don't know why Vin Diesel is on both of these. He's not Brian, but anyway. I'm going to give these away to you guys. I'm going to make a contest. It'll be pretty simple. All you have to do is go to my Instagram page, follow me, tag 3 people in the picture I'll have up on there for my contest. And make sure you like this video and you're subscribed to my channel. That's it. I'll randomly pick 2 lucky winners. I'll send the diecast car that you win directly to your house, free shipping, no stipulations. I just want to do a little quick giveaway. I did this a couple months ago with some Hot Wheels. It was pretty popular. The guy that won them actually started his own Hot Wheels collection, so I thought that's pretty cool. Anyways, I would really, really like to give these away to some subscribers. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram. Like the picture, tag 3 friends, like this video, make sure you're subscribed. That's it. It's not a lot. It's no stipulations, nothing like that. Would like to really say thank you for following me on here and for following me on Instagram. I've only been doing this for a few months, but I'm having a lot of fun. I'm very, very busy, but I make sure I take time every week to do this stuff. And I just can't say thank you enough. I hope we can keep growing from here. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Go enter my contest, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.